Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to block a Google Ads in your mobile phone. So click on Google Chrome and click the right top three dot. Now go to the setting and scroll down and click on the site setting. Now you have to check the Intrasio ads in your Google Chrome like this one. Click here. Now you can see I have already blocked my Google Chrome's ads. So you can check and block your phone ads from the Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.